Wow.
Oh, it actually comes in clearer when it's in move mode. Okay.
Is it taking it?
Yep. So that's mother hummingbird in a hummingbird nest in our oak tree. Tell us about it, Chris.
That's awesome. It's a Rufus hummingbird.
Talking to the microphone, Chris. Oh, he just flew away. Okay. This is our hummingbird cam. We've got the camera mount in the window, and the hummingbird mother is in the tree. It's a Rufus hummingbird. And she's got 3 little babies, we think. I'm going to zoom out, and you'll see how far away we've got this from. Maybe my brother Chris will chime in here. It's a Chris. It's a Rufus hummingbird.
Yep. Bye, Mom. Hey, take your coat. Bye-bye.
So zoom out, way out. She's got water, and there's a water feature down below, and there's a hummingbird feeder down below. So she's pretty happy. We'll zoom back in again, see if we can get her. There she is. She's been warding off any other bird and making frequent trips to get food and water. Be anxious to see what hatches. I think that's as much as I can zoom in. Pretty cool. I wish she'd move. She'd fly away and come back. That'd be pretty cool. Did it earlier, but not right now. Okay, so Nora, our baby, stopped crying. A little aggravating to hear on the video, but we've got mother hummingbird. Oh, she just flew off again. Okay, she just landed again. She just flew down to the feeder down below, got a little drink, and came back up to the nest. And there she rests. That poor little hummingbird. It's getting poured on. Look at that. Just getting hammered with rain and the hail. Poor little thing.
Here they come.
You see them down there?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sure they're going to get all wet.
They're hailing. It's hail down.
Yeah, that's hail's coming down hard. Okay, we'll check it a little later. Okay, it stopped raining. Let's zoom in on the hummingbird nest. This might be our last session where we have to go home.
You can't look behind my back.
Oh, did I find it? I lost it. Oh, there it is, right there. There she is. No, there. Oh, right there. She's facing us now.
She's little. And because she wanted to give me this.
Happy as a hummingbird can be.
Wait a minute.
Only when Mama says you can have some, okay?
Yeah.
It's raining and sunny right now.
I can have.
It's a tough life for a hummingbird. Good luck there, little guy.
And
Yeah, but I can still play.
Yeah, you can just write it.
Well,
I can play with the pink one and Nora can play with the blue one.
no, they're both North.
Yeah, I got it. Yep.
Oh, there she goes.
Right.
Away she goes.